Hello traders, today in this video I'll be discussing my new aggressive exit strategy where I'll only cover my entry and my exit, which is easy yet aggressive. I'll not be talking about topics such as checklists, scanning for the stocks and order type. You'll have to watch my step-by-step video if you want to understand the whole procedure. You'll find a link in the description box as well as here on the screen. I'll also go through my 7 saved charts from my live trading to support my new idea. So let's begin. As I've mentioned before, my entry remains the same. After my first 3 candles, I shot on the 4th candle. Now to cover a stock or exit, there are only 3 rules. They may seem like an easy approach. Believe me, it's difficult to implement. So the first one is cover when 5% profit is hit. Cover when the stock hits your stop loss. If none of the above 2, hold until 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now to support this theory, I'll show you my 7 charts with actual profit and losses and with new theory profit and losses. This is my chart of ACHC. Now on this stock, in actual I made a loss of 4.5%. And as per the new theory, we're making a loss of 4.5%. I enter on the 4th candle. I wait for it to hit my 5% profit target or wait for it to hit my stop loss, which is always the highest of the first candle, or I will hold until the end of the day, which is about 3:30. I would give half an hour cushion, so I'm taking as 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. In this particular stock, it hit my stop loss and I was out. So I would take a loss as per my new theory also. Let's look at the second stock, which is MDCO. On MTCO, in actual, I made a loss of 3%. As per new theory, I would enter on 4th candle. My stop loss would be the highest of the first candle, and I will wait for it to either hit 5% target, hit my stop loss, or hold until end of the day. Here I made 5% profit. Let's look at the third one, which is CAM. In actual, I made 2% loss, and as per the new theory also I would make 2% loss because it did not go down 5%. It did not hit my 5% profit. It touched my stop loss. So new theory, I'm making a loss too. Let's look at another one. PBI, where I made profit of less than 1%. It didn't hit my stop loss, nor did it hit 5% profit target, so I waited until the end of the day and I made a profit of 4% on this one. Let's look at BBY now. I made a profit of 1.63% in live trading and I made a loss of 1.5% with my new theory. It didn't hit my stop loss, nor did it hit my 5% profit targets, so I waited until the end of the day and got out with a loss. Let's look at GNC. Now this is going to be tricky. On GNC, I made 12% in live trading, whereas if I follow my new theory, I would only make 5% unless I trail. So on a stock like GNC, it would be either 5% or trail and watch if you can maximize your profits. And I've got one more here, which is SKX. On SKX, I made a profit of 6.62%. And as per my new theory, it would be only 5%. Now guys, I've got about 150 saved charts and I've done my analysis on all of them. Believe me, on all the other charts, my new theory has proved really strong. So in my future trades, I will be following my new theory and just keep uploading my live trading. So hopefully you enjoyed my video and thank you very much for watching my videos.